Bless them. How could I not feed them? Look at them running around like hell now. Just give them a bread roll. Bit naughty. Hungry duckies. Oh, they're fighting. Look at the old crow trying to get a bit out of the back here. Morning, Mr. Crow. Whack, 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 whack. They're off. Oh, so am I. I've got to try and get all this out of the way. Nightmare. Nightmare. Right, we're back. Off. But felt a bit of space there, you know, when you take the old wood out. Shame about that bloody great tank that. That's what you get for a pump out. But I'll get that all nice and swip shram. Get rid of that bath. That's got to go. Try to get some flooring up, but can't get the screws out of the floor. Bit of a nightmare, but we'll get there. We'll try and keep that bit and put up the other end. And select something here. Oh, little secret apartment. Ballast. More bloody ballast. Look, I need it that side. Oh, it's a bit wet in there. I've got a hole in my boot, have I? Oh my god. Change all this, it's all damp. It's all got to go. It's all got to come out. Start again. Make her look pretty. Look after your boat and the boat will look after you. Well, that is. Anyone want a bath, give us a shout. But that's got to go. Look all this here. Wow, this is good clean. Good scrape clean. Primer. A bit of red oxide on it, straight over it. Make it all nice again, take that toilet bit off. Spin that around. Then I'll probably put a wash machine on here somewhere. Above it. Maybe the sink here, I'm not sure yet. Somewhere here. And then the round shower here. And then you should be able to step in the engine a bit better. Make a nice entrance. Sort all this out. Look at this up here. Make some nice things there. Get all that watertight and nice. She'll get there, won't she? Get rid of that battery and that battery. That's got to go. 10 years old, no good. Already ripped them out on the way back. And put new ones in. 3 leisure batteries I've got now. And 1 starter. Look at the mess in there. She's going to kill me. So that was the update. I hope you're all having a nice day. Because I'm trying to. Better crack on. Peace out.